motion la speed of the object எப்பவுமே constant ஆ இருக்கும். இதுவே non-uniform motion அப்படின்னா என்னன்னா if an object covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time, then that object is said to be in non-uniform motion. Okay, so see here, இப்போ இதுக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணலாம். ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட் O அப்படின்ற பொசிஷன்ல அதனோட மோஷனை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுது. For every second எவ்வளோ டிஸ்டன்ஸை கவர் பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா 2 மீட்டர் அப்படின்ற டிஸ்டன்ஸை கவர் பண்ணுது. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 1 செகண்ட்ல that covers 2 meter, in 2 seconds that covers 4 meter, in 3 seconds that covers 6 meter, in 4 seconds that covers 8 meter. So what is the meaning? For every second that covers 2 meter. For example இங்க பாருங்க 1 to 2 second க்கு நடுவுல இருக்கிற டைம் இன்டர்வல் is 1 second. 4 minus 2 அப்படின்னு போட்டோம்னா இந்த இடத்துல 2 meter அப்படின்ற டிஸ்டன்ஸை கவர் பண்ணிருக்கு. Similarly here also 2 meter, here also 2 meter, here also 2 meter. So what can we understand? That object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, so that object executes uniform motion. Okay, so in that case what is the speed? Speed இந்த இடத்துல எங்க calculate பண்ணீங்கனாலும் ஸ்பீடுக்கான ஃபார்முலா we know that distance by time taken. So what is the distance? What is the speed between 0 to 1 second calculate பண்ணீங்கன்னா 2 meter by 1 second. So 2 meter per second is the speed of that object. If you calculate the speed here, that in that place also between 2 seconds to 1 second to 2 second also speed is same 2 meter per second. Between 2 seconds to 3 seconds also the speed is remains the same 2 meter per second. So if an object executes uniform motion, the speed of the object remains the constant. Now we'll learn about the graphical representation of uniform motion. So see here, in this case we should know the graphical representation here. Along x-axis we should take time, along y-axis we should take distance. Okay, so what we are taking along x-axis? Time taken. Along y-axis we are taking the distance covered by that object. So see here, if we consider the graph, we are going to draw the graph for this motion. So 1 second la எவ்வளோ distance travel பண்ணுச்சுன்னா 2 meter. So இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு பாயிண்ட் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. 2 secondல 4 meter, in 3 second that covers 6 meter. So what is the nature of the graph here? We'll get a straight line. So for uniform motion, if we draw a distance time graph, we'll get a straight line. From the graph itself we can understand that is the uniform motion. So if we get a straight line for distance time graph, the nature of the motion is nothing but uniform motion. Okay, so see here, if we consider the object is at rest, what is the nature of the distance time graph means? We'll get a straight line, but straight line is parallel to time axis. For every second the position remains the same, there is no change in distance, that is said to be rest. No, so we'll get a straight line like this. That line will be parallel to x-axis. In x-axis we are taking time. So what is the meaning for this? The object is at rest. Okay, so in the graph கொடுத்து object என்ன type of motionல இருக்கு அப்படினு கேட்டாலே we can understand. இந்த graph கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா the object is in uniform motion அப்படினு நம்ம தெரிஞ்சிக்கலாம். இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு distance time graph கொடுத்து object என்ன எப்படி இருக்கு, என்ன type of motionல இருக்கு கேட்டாங்கன்னா we can say the object is at rest. Okay, so similarly we will discuss the graphical representation of non-uniform motion also. Already I told you non-uniform motion means the object covers unequal distance in equal intervals of time. See here, 1 secondல அந்த object எவ்வளோ distance கவர் பண்ணுச்சுன்னா 5 meter. In 2 seconds the same distance 5 meter. What is the meaning? 1 second க்கும் 2 second க்கும் நடுவுல object restல இருந்துச்சுன்னு அர்த்தம். அடுத்தது 3 secondல 20 meter distance that travels. Okay, so this is said to be non-uniform motion. Shall we calculate? So see here, 0 to 1 second குள்ள எவ்வளோ distance travel பண்ணிருக்குன்னா 5 meter. 2 seconds க்கும் 1 seconds க்கும் intervalல that covers 0 meter. That is not traveling in that duration, so that is at rest is the meaning. Similarly, what is the distance traveled between 2 and 3 seconds means that is 15 meter. So you can say in equal intervals of time. That means for every 1 second that covers unequal distance. So that is said to be non-uniform motion. In that non-uniform motion, if we calculate the speed value of that object, that will be different in different intervals of time. The speed value will be different. Okay. So if we draw a graph, distance time graph for non-uniform motion, that will be like this. See here, in 1 second that covers 5 meter, in 2 seconds the same 5 meter, in 3 seconds that covers 20 meter. So what is the nature of the graph? This is the nature of the graph. Is it a straight line? No, it is a non-straight line. So non-straight line means that is said to be non-uniform motion. So straight line இந்த மாதிரி இல்லாம வேற எந்த type of, for example இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு curved line or இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு zigzag graph, if we get, we can understand that is the graph for non-uniform motion. And from this graph you can understand this part, between these two time, that means between 1 and 2 seconds the body is at rest, we can understand. Okay. And slope of distance time graph will give the value of speed. That also a very important 1 mark question. Slope means it is nothing but the change in y-axis by change in x-axis. Here in y-axis we are taking distance, in x-axis we are taking time. No, so distance by time is slope of the graph generally. So slope of distance time graph will give the value of speed. So you remember the slope of distance time graph will give the value of speed. Okay. And if we take the slope value for this graph, that will be different in different duration. Similarly, if we take graph slope here at any place, if we take here or here or here, the slope value remains the same. So speed is a constant in uniform and that is a variable one in the case of non-uniform motion. Okay students, if you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you students.